Going to Walmart. I quarantine you. I quarantine you. I quarantine you. What else is that there? Okay, we're safe to enter now.
Isa sa mga park dito, sabi nila wala daw mga tao dito sa park. Pero tingnan natin.
This is a large, what they do is they come down here with their boats, and they drop the boats in. It is during the like weekends and stuff like that, there's sometimes so many people that there's a line waiting. You can't even get in here.
Yan no, sabi nila walang tao, pero marami pa rin tao. Fishing hole. So, titigas ang ulo nila guys, pareho sa amin. Pero siguro hindi kami bababa. Say hello. So people here didn't scared about coronavirus, right? They did not scared about COVID.
I don't think anybody's scared of it. Everybody's here.
Yeah. So, well, we'll see, guys. We will find a parking lot so we can park our car and walk around. That salt water.
Yes, this is all salt water here. And that's all salty ocean.
Salt ocean.
Yeah. Salty Gulf.
Salty what?
Salty Gulf. Gulf.
May mga tao pa rin dito pala.
You wanna walk down there?
Yeah, sure. We will walk down.
You wanna walk down that way?
Yeah. Self-quarantine, guys. Self-quarantine on the beach.
What?
Self-quarantine.
Yeah.
So, ayan, matitigas ang ulo nila. Self-quarantine. Marami pa rin tao dito sa beach. Sabi na ano daw lang. Sarap maligo kaya. Ang Diyos ko, ang sarap maligo. Ang ganda ng sunset dito. Tingnan nyo. What's the time now, Jimmy?
Evening.
Evening. The time now is evening. Take note, guys. The time now is evening.
It's
Hi.
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 Hi. It's When? When?
Oh,
Who?
you.
Where?
There.
You videotape?
Yeah.
Hello there. Hello, fan club. How's everybody doing? We're taking a jolly stroll on the beach.
Sabi nila, beach closed until further notice. But, tingnan nyo tingnan nyo. Ayan. Paano mag-close? Daming sasakyan. May mga naliligo. 8 o'clock na guys. So, we're heading home. Uwi na kami. Galing sa gala.
We're
See
going
you
to take
later.
We're not going home, we're going to Walmart.
We go Walmart first.
We gotta go
then
buy toilet
home.
paper.
What's the time now?
It's 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock, but still
Yeah,
like there's a sun.
It's going down now.
Dito na kami sa Walmart. Dami pa rin tao
Yeah, watch.
sa
You
labas.
see it? Yeah, we're going to Walmart. Hold up. Going to Walmart. I quarantine you. I quarantine you. I quarantine you. What else is that there? Okay, we're safe to enter now.
What's that?
They close in 25 minutes.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, they close in 25 minutes, guys. So, well, you need a card. Do not need a card. Okay, let's go. Question ng card. In 25 minutes, anong oras na nga? So, magsara sila ng 8:30 pala magsara ang Walmart. Instead of 24 hours, magsara. Tignan nyo, walang laman. Walang laman. Wala nang laman. Yan. Just empty shelf. See guys, wala. Well, you don't pick up that. We have rice already. So, at saka, kung titingnan nyo, wala na talaga. Look at this. Wala nang laman. See? Dito puno yan. Pero dito, makikita nyo, wala na siyang laman. Oh my God. So, ayan, wala nang laman. Ubos na lahat. Wala nang tinda Walmart. Wala nang kaming mabili.